increment decrement operators in Java. Some more examples are coming up. Here the example is, look at it. P is 4, Q is 8, R is starting with 0. R is becoming plus plus P plus P plus 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 Q minus minus plus minus minus Q. So what do you think is going to happen? Let us look into it. P is 4. Therefore, plus plus P will supply which value? 4 or 5? See, it's walking over P plus plus. No, it's walking over plus plus. Therefore, it is reaching 4 is converted to 5 and then it is getting used. Then P plus plus, which means the change will take place after, which is therefore supplying 5. Then Q minus minus, that means first the value of Q, that means 8, and then 8 is getting converted to 7 because of minus minus, and then the plus, and then that 7 is going to get converted to 6. Now I'll show you once more. 4, but here what is getting used is 5. And here what is getting used is 5, but here the value is becoming 6. Therefore, 5 plus 5 goes to the expression and P is waiting with 6 in hand. And then, if I look at Q, what is getting used is 8. Then 8 is becoming 7 and that 7 is becoming 6. Okay, now the output. So I compile it and I come to the object creation or the instance creation and then I come to the main. Look into the output now. What is the output saying? Let me show the output, which is, check out. 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, is it not 24? 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 10 is 24. And the value of P is becoming 6 because 4 is becoming 5, which is becoming 6. And the value of Q is becoming 6 because 8 is becoming 7, which is becoming 6. Okay, coming up is one more example. So, here is your next example. What is it saying? It's saying W is 6, G is 5, R is equal to 0 to start with. R is now getting calculated with W plus plus into G minus minus plus minus minus G into plus plus W. So, let us begin. How can we begin? Don't worry. W plus plus, which means either the change will take first or later. Here change is taking place later. Therefore 6 is getting used. And W is waiting at 7. Hold it in your brain. Say, wait W with 7. I'm coming. Into G. Is G getting used first or changed first? I can say it is getting used first. Therefore it's 6 into 5. Plus. Now, with that 5, one more reduction in G, making the value supplied is 4 into the value of W was waiting at 7. That is now going to become 8 because the change is taking place. Look at it once more. W goes in as 6 but becomes 7 when it reaches here. And G goes in as 5 but becomes 4. Right? And then here the value becomes, oh, I only, good that I revised it. It is supposed to become 3 because it is getting reduced 2 times. The second time, the second reduction is going to get used into the value of W plus plus means 6 which had become 7 is now becoming 8. Now look into the answer. Is 5 6 the 30 plus 8 is the 24 matching with the answer? I think it is now matching with the answer. If I say that 6 into 5 is coming from the first side plus 3 into 8 is coming from the second side. What is the final value of W? It is 6 becoming 7 becoming 8. And what is the final value in G? It is 5 which is becoming 4 which is becoming 3. Okay.